Above the workspace are the zoom tools. Zoom to selected will zoom to view all current selected objects. Zoom to entire sign will zoom out to show the entire sign frame and any objects that are outside of the sign area. Zoom to frame will let you click and draw a rectangle to mark the area that will be viewed. When you've clicked the button, hold and drag to set the zoom box. Zoom out will slightly pull back from the current view to the previous zoom level. The two preset % values are zoom memories. You can quickly change between these zoom memories by pressing space. To change your zoom memory, hold Shift and press space. The currently active memory will be changed to the current zoom level. The zoom memory can also remember the current zoom position. To save a position, hold down Ctrl and press space. The % value will be shown as bold to show that the position is stored.